Hello, today I'm gonna review Amazon's top 10 oil blotting tissue product. Let's start with number 10. So let's take a look at this one. It comes very well packaged. Okay, it's a pretty small sheet and it's very, very thin. That's what I'm getting from the first one that I pulled out. But it feels like a bag from a grocery store. That's what it feels to me. Let's read the reviews. Number 1 star says, totally disappointing. The expectation may have been wrong, but I do not feel that oil is taken at all. Number 9 is DHC blotting paper. I don't know. I don't really see anything. I don't think it cleans that much. Let's take a look at the reviews. A 1-star review says, not sure why these have good reviews. They're not soft, they tear really easily. The little pink box they come in gets jammed and makes it so you can't open it sometimes. My number 8 is this one that I actually don't know how to say the name because it's in another language. I'm gonna try it on my forehead now. See if I can get some oil out. Okay, I can't really see if any oil came out. It's very thin and it rips pretty easily. Number 7 is the Bossia. Let's take a look. I want to try it on my face and see if it actually cleans. I can't really see if it's taking out any oil. Yeah, you can't really see even though it's darker. Let's take a look at the reviews. So a 2-star review says, should be scentless, very good absorbency, but cannot stand the scent. And the color too. Wish I could see better what it absorbed, but good value. Let's move on to number 6. Number 6 is the Clean and Clear oil blotting sheets. It's also very thin. Let's take a look and see if it actually cleans. Okay, so you can tell that there is something on the sheet. My number 5 is the green tea oil absorbing sheets. I don't know, I can't really smell the green tea. But let's take a look if it actually absorbs oil. I can't see too much if it's absorbing anything. My number 4 is the NYX blotting paper. I have a lot of oil around my nose. Okay, I can see some of the oil there, definitely. But it is hard to see. I wish they were a darker color. My 3rd product is the rice paper blotting tissue with rice powder. Let's see how this works. It feels dry. And it feels like I'm putting this powder and you can actually feel like it's coming off. My number 2 is the natural blotting paper from Sorums. And let's take a look to see if it actually cleans because that's what's important, to clean it. You can tell some of the oil is there. This is the number 1 top seller in Amazon. It's from Pleasing Care, natural premium oil blotting tissues, simplicity, elegance, independence, and it comes with 100 sheets in each package. So this one is the tea tree version. This is the tea tree version. And this other one is the charcoal version. Let's take a look at how it cleans my face. Just blot it. Okay, nice. You can see the oil right there. It's soft. It doesn't really, damage or irritate your face. Okay, wow, it has 11,000 reviews. But first, let's see why. Fits for all skin types. Oily, normal, and a combination. Has no stimulation to skin, effectively absorb the excess facial oil, at the same time keeping your skin necessary moisture and won't clog pores. The premium quality paper also has a clean and relief skin effect, prevent the generation of acne, provide you a photo-ready, petal-fresh complexion look, and does not smudge makeup. Okay, so let's take a look at the reviews. Impressive, effective. I've been searching for something as effective as this for a long time now. I have extremely oily skin. I live in the Caribbean, and whether I wear foundation or not, very early in the day, my face is covered in oil. Mostly over my T-zone is where I get shiny and oily, so I tried this and it is excellent. Well, those were the top 10 in Amazon list.